Come on, friends, gather round as we delve into the intriguing story of a simple yet essential creation, the clothespin. Join me on a journey that celebrates both resourcefulness and the enchanting allure of everyday items. Once upon a time, long before the advent of dryers and the luxury of wrinkle-free fabrics, there was a universal dilemma that plagued the domestic world: how to secure freshly laundered garments to align in the great outdoors. Yes, the challenge was real, and it wasn't just about drying. It was about drying without the embarrassing mishap of seeing one's undergarments whisked away by a cheeky breeze. Enter the early days of the 19th century, an era bustling with invention. It was during this industrious period that the first patented design for a clothespin emerged. Picture this: it's 1832, and the laundry scene is about to be revolutionized by a simple wooden contraption designed by a clever inventor from Vermont, Jeremiah H. Coston. Coston's design, however, wasn't quite the spring-loaded model we're familiar with today. No, his was a more straightforward wooden peg, a humble yet effective solution that required manual labor to clamp it over the clothes in line. But as with all good tales of invention, progress didn't stop there. The real game changer came in 1853, courtesy of David M. Smith of Springfield, Vermont. Smith introduced a design that would become the grandfather of the modern clothespin, a wooden spring clamp that held clothes firmly to the line with a grace and efficiency that Coston's peg could only dream of. This design featured two wooden prongs, united by a small coiled spring, that pinched clothes with just the right amount of pressure, firm yet gentle. This innovation sparked a small revolution in backyards and washrooms across the country. No longer were the winds a threat to the sanctity of drying clothes. The spring-loaded clothespin became a symbol of domestic efficiency, a testament to human ingenuity in transforming daily chores into less cumbersome tasks. As the decades rolled on, the clothespin continued to evolve. It adapted to the times, transforming in material, from wood to plastic, and style. But the essence of its design remained largely unchanged. Why fix what isn't broken, after all? The journey of the clothespin is not just a tale of invention. It's a narrative about the evolution of everyday life, a slice of domestic history, and a celebration of the small wonders that make daily tasks a bit more bearable. So, the next time you clip a clothespin to a drying sheet, remember, you're participating in a long tradition of innovation and practicality. A tradition that, like the best of them, began with a simple yet brilliant idea. And there you have it, dear friends, a story of how a simple need and a bit of clever thinking pinned down one of the most enduring household tools in history. The humble clothespin, not just a tool, but a marker of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of simpler solutions to everyday problems. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.